In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add testimonials to your Wix site. Testimonials can be a powerful tool for building trust and credibility with your website visitors, showing them real-life examples of satisfied customers. So, let's dive right in and make your Wix site shine with these valuable reviews. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website editor. This is your main dashboard for making changes and customizations to your site. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access this area. Now that you're in, let's move on to the next step. On your editor's panel, look for the Add button. It's typically located on the left-hand side of your screen and is represented by a plus symbol. Clicking on this button will reveal several options. Among these options, you're going to want to find the Strip section. The Strip feature in Wix is incredibly versatile and allows you to add a wide array of elements, including testimonials. With the Strip option selected, you should now see various items you can add to your site. Look for the Testimonials option. Clicking on this will open up a selection of testimonial layouts you can choose from. Each layout has a unique design, so take your time to browse through them and see which style best matches the overall aesthetic of your site. Once you've found a layout you like, select it. This step is crucial because it will determine how the testimonials are visually presented on your website. After you've added the testimonial section, feel free to further customize it to better fit your needs. You might want to change the background image or adjust the color scheme so that it aligns with your brand style. Next, you have the option to change the images within the testimonial strip. This is particularly useful if you'd like to include a photo of the person giving the testimonial or some other relevant image. To do this, simply click on the image and choose the Change Image option where you can upload your desired pictures. Finally, set the name or title and the description for each testimonial. This is where the actual feedback from your clients or customers gets displayed. It's important to ensure that the names and descriptions are accurate and compelling because they reinforce the authenticity of the testimonials. Once you've entered this information, take a moment to review everything to ensure it looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully added testimonials to your Wix site. This small addition can make a big difference, as it gives potential customers first-hand accounts of the positive experiences others have had with your product or service. With these testimonials in place, your site will be well on its way to building trust and attracting new visitors.